Hello and welcome again to my series on the 36 channels. And today we're going to take under the microscope the money line, the 2145, the channel that carries a design of materialism. Now, because this is not only one of the 6 Wa channels, but it is the one and only outlet of both the Wa structure, and when you study the circuits in the Rave ABC, you can also see that the same channel, the 2145, is the one and only outlet for what is called the ego circuit, which is the circuit through which humanity is driven to take care of its personal material needs. Material needs, which are the needs of the body, to gather enough material resources to keep yourself alive, clean, and healthy. Need, driven by the basic principle of need, which, by the way, is the only human fuel that does not touch the human rational mind. And this is why, when you speak Wa, you speak about something that is deeper than reason. It is deeply connected to our instinctive life, to our most irrational sensitivity, in the sense that we get to feel things that we cannot rationally explain. And, things that we may rationally understand, well, they may not necessarily speak to the way we feel about life and things. And this is only one of the reasons why the 2145 really is a special channel, and when I teach it in the Rave ABC as part of the ego circuit, I mentioned that, it really is a channel that deserves in a way, it is its own circuit. It's just a hidden way to address the fact that it is the head, the manifestation, the only way for the Wa to manifest. In other words, that the tribal process and the material needs and the development of civilization as a materialistic reality, that all of this is controlled by the Wa. In other words, that, the program is deeply interested in humanity, never identifying more with metaphysics than with physics. In other words, that yes, it's nice that you try to develop a more sophisticated awareness, but, the most important thing as a species is to keep ourselves alive, and that is the material process. And this is why the human design system is form knowledge. Form knowledge. No other channel addresses this fact as much as the 2145, a design of materialism. Remember, the group is something material. The human mass, the human herd, the gathering together, as is the name of one of the 2 gates of this channel, the one in the throat. But let's not forget that in the Wa, there is an auric density of 9 or more people gathering together for a singular material process. And that singular